It's SEMA 2025, and I'm here with Ian from Lock Off-Road, checking out some of the cool new wheels they brought to the show, and they even have some cool new sizes and some of their older models of wheel as well. So let's jump right into it, because some of these are awesome.
Jumping right in, I mean, you can't miss it. It is our absolute diamond wheel. It is the fully forged Invader Beadlock, one of the lightest fully forged beadlocks on the market right now. It weighs 28 pounds with the ring. Black wheels are as popular as ever, believe it or not, even though you see our other finishes here. Behind me is one of our new styles, the Grit. It is a multi-spoke, super aggressive design. Also comes in numerous really nice finishes. This one being the matte black with the gloss black lip, two-tone design. Also behind you in the same finish is our new Trail, another multi-spoke wheel, also available in the machine finish you see below us and in the middle, which is absolute standout for someone like me or you who want a little bit more of, for lack of better terms, bling.
Now, these are available in a bunch of different sizes and bolt patterns, correct?
Correct. We're gonna have 17, 18s, and 20s, and all your standard bolt patterns from Jeeps, Tacomas, Fords, Chevrolets, anything that you guys might want or you might see on Summit to be ready for you.
Tell us about some of the availability on these wheels and when people can start putting these on their rig.
This Invader Beadlock is already available, and they are custom drilled to whatever size that you would like, again, through Summit Racing. However, these two new designs, you gotta be a little bit more patient as they are coming out very soon. And then of course the 20s down here below, these are designs you might already recognize. We got huge demand, especially from the Jeep community, to have 20s available for their rigs. So we made some of our most popular designs in the 20s now as well. And those should be also ready very soon.
Thank you so much, Ian, for taking the time to talk to us. These things are awesome, and we'll see you later.
Appreciate the time. Thank you guys.